Remember when Funko used to do stuff like this? I do. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here, with a non-dispenser item, but a nice licensed item from Funko. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, there are different versions. I didn't know this until now. Maybe you didn't until now. There are 3 different hair colors on the Nurse bobbleheads that were, Wacky Wobblers. I don't think they own the rights to bobblehead. But Funko released these back in 2002, back when PEZ started doing a lot of licensed stuff to draw in more collectors and make a little bit more money. Look at that. Making that PEZ Pal boy feel a lot better. They never offered a bandage. Closest thing to that was a pirate one. But I saw these different variations while I was checking out a collection and thought I would share them with you. So until next time,